September, I try and play both parts on the intro, so get an A going. Yeah, so rather than just doing it as like double stops just to fill it out a bit. And then the chorus. Then the horn line at the end. Then as the singer knows it, we go into Can't Touch This after that. So oh, then as well, Ghostbusters. Can't touch this. Yeah, so it's just the verse of Can't Touch This. Then the Ghostbusters riff. I'm Afraid No Ghost, and then back to the Can't Touch This to end.